Hey there! Today I have another Infinitely LOFT unboxing for you. So if you're not familiar with Infinitely LOFT, it is a clothing rental subscription service from Loft, and you are able to rent up to 3 items of clothing at a time for a flat monthly rate of $65. And yeah, so this is my second month with Infinitely LOFT, and I was able to get 3 boxes my first month, and I'm hoping to turn things around a little quicker this month since I was on a trip my first month. So we'll see. I've been really happy with the service so far, but I am a big fan of Loft. That's one of my favorite stores. So I've been able to find a lot of clothing that I liked, and the sizing is good because Infinitely LOFT does have a wide range of sizes, and it includes petite, tall, plus size, and even maternity sizes. I'll put some information in the description box below about how Infinitely LOFT works in case you want to check it out, and I'll also put a playlist up above to some of my earlier Infinitely LOFT videos. Anyway, let's go ahead and see what I got. Okay, so it always comes very nicely packaged, and here's my bundle. More yellow, and there's a prepaid mailer to send anything back. Okay, so this time my Infinitely LOFT box came really fast because it's Monday today, and actually I got both my Infinitely LOFT box and my Haverdash box the same day, so I'm filming both videos today. So actually last week I did my return notify on Thursday, and then I physically mailed out my items from my third box on Friday, and then I got a tracking on Saturday, and then boom, I got my box today. So that's incredible fast, right? Because mailed out on Saturday and received on Monday. I was expecting maybe Tuesday. And another good thing for this box, it's the incredible box, is that all 3 of the items that I'm getting are items that I set as priority. So that doesn't always happen. I think this is the first time. I think, yeah, I don't know. But anyway, let's go over the items. Okay, so the first item in my box is this top. And this is the Petite TULIP sleeve button back in Forever Navy, and I got the size medium petite, and the buyout price on this is only $21.50, and that represents a 60% off retail. Yeah, I think this is really cute, and I think it's a nice basic, and I love polka dots, and I think this is something that could potentially go with a lot of things, like maybe white jeans or just regular blue jeans, or maybe even like red. Yeah, we'll see. Okay, Kitty's on the move. Alright, the next item in my box is this top. And you'll recognize this print because I also got a dress earlier in the same print. But I didn't buy that dress, although I wore it to a party and I thought it looked nice. This is the Petite Floral Wrap top in Banana Split. And for this one I got a size medium petite. I was kind of debating if I should get medium or small, but I'm going to go with mediums I think for now. And the buyout price is only $21.50, and that represents a 60% off retail price. So $21.50 is the same as that polka dot top, and I think this is really, really cute. I really like it. And I'll try to link up everything that I can in the description box below in case you want to check it out, because you can find these also on the regular Loft website. Okay, and lastly, I got these pants. See how pink they are? Wow, they look really pink. Okay, and these are the skinny crop jeans in pink, in Ellie pink, that's what it says. And I got the size, what did I get? 28, size 6. And they didn't have any petite sizes. So I hope this isn't too long. It looks pretty long actually. But it's supposedly a crop jean, so I would think it wouldn't be too bad. Yeah, but I think these are really cute. And the buyout price for these is $31.50, which represents a 60% off retail discount. Yeah, so that's a pretty good discount, $31 for these jeans. And I don't have anything this exact color. See how bright it is? We'll see, but I like it. I kind of like it. Okay, but anyway, that's everything that I got in my Infinitely LOFT box. And you know, wow, I am actually really loving the service, seriously. I am doing the other service too, which is Haverdash. But Of the two, for me personally, I think, and my taste, I think the Infinitely Loft is definitely my favorite, and that's the one I'm probably going to be sticking with. Okay, but I will try everything on probably either tomorrow or the next day. Before I go to work, I'll get up early and see what I'll be wearing. But yeah, but this is a very promising box. Okay, good morning. So it's 2 days later, and I am trying on the pink pants, and I think these are actually really cute. They're supposed to be cropped, but they're not petite, so they are actually really long on me, so I had to roll them up. But you know, I can deal with it. I think it looks okay, and I just have it paired with a white top. I think since these jeans are so bright, it's nice to have something plain on top. And actually, they're not that bright. They're kind of a washed pink, so they're not super screaming, I think. And yeah, and I just have it paired with this is a top I've had for at least 2 years, possibly 3, and it's like bell sleeves, so that's why I hardly wear it. Because remember when bell sleeves were everything, and everything was bell sleeves, but now they're not. But I'll still wear this. So anyway, I think these pants are nice. They fit pretty good. They're not as stretchy as some that I have, but I think they fit okay. I did gain. Okay, so here's the yellow top. And you know, actually this top I really like. I think it looks nice, and it's really flowy. It's such a pretty print. And you know, it's the same print that I had that dress in my first box. But it's a top, and it's a true wrap, so it's a little tricky to put on, but not too bad. But yeah, it is really flowy, and since it's so flowy and full on top, I just paired it with some white skinny jeans, and I think that looks nice. But I think you could also wear it with just some regular blue jeans, like either wash, like a light wash or medium wash. I think it'll look cute. Yeah, so I really like this. And I'm thinking I might even buy this out. It was like $21.50 at 60% off. So yeah, so we'll see. I really do like this. Here's the last top. And wow, I really do like this. I think it's just a nice basic. So you'll see it has buttons in the back, which is I think a nice detail. And it has kind of nice, is that like tulip sleeves? Well, it's just a very basic polka dot. And it's navy, so I just paired it with some white jeans, and I think that looks nice, the same white jeans. And yeah, I think I'll probably just wear this today. But wow, I really do like this top too. And this one, the buyout price was $21.50 also, so that's not a bad price. But yeah, I think this is a nice basic, so I'm definitely thinking about keeping this. Uh-oh. Okay, so it's Friday today, and just to recap, I did end up wearing this blouse to work, and I thought it was really pretty. I ended up wearing it with the white jeans, and I thought it was a nice look. And I do actually really like this blouse, and I'm still considering if I should buy it out for $21.50, because I think that is a very reasonable price. And I mean, if I wasn't doing like a rental service, and if I didn't have so much clothes already, it would be kind of a no-brainer. But we'll see. I still haven't worn this one. I'm probably going to wear this maybe on Monday, I think, to work. It's really cute. I might actually just end up buying this out, but we'll see. Yeah, this was also $21.50. I think this is more of a versatile top that, you know, is definitely a nice basic that won't go out of style. So I think I could get a lot of use out of this long term. I haven't worn these pants, but yeah, I'm planning to. I actually think these pants are nice. They are a little bit long. I was looking back at the video, and I thought these looked pretty cute, so I'll wear them this week. So far, I guess this was what, box 5? So this is my first box for my second month with Infinitely Loft, and I am really enjoying the service. And to be honest, I love Loft though. So if Loft is your style, I think this would be a good service to use. And also if you already have a lot of clothes, or even if you are looking to build up your wardrobe, because I am finding a lot of things that I really want to buy out, and the buyout prices are good. But anyway, that's all I have for today, and now I am going to grab Kaya, who's looking at me, to help me say goodbye. Kaya, coming? Yeah. Okay, so here is Miss Kaya. and we're having a very relaxed, lazy day after 4th of July, right? Right. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. We do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos, and if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.